Hello guys, Hostinger now offer a website builder, something that's missing from the affordable provider for a while. Naturally, the question arises: is Hostinger website builder any good compared to other? Let's dive in with my Hostinger website builder review. Before we get started, I have left the best discounted deal in the description below. Is it easy to use? Unlike most website builder with Hostinger, you are buying a hosting plan that including the builder. This is a great ideal while platform like Squarespace sell plan for just one site. Hostinger builder lets you create up to 100 website with the single affordable plan. However, this means there are no try before you buy option. You pay upfront, but there are 30-day money back guarantee and the plan are some of the most affordable in the industry. We will talk pricing later. After setting up my account, I choose Hostinger website builder. The builder offer over 100 unique looking template. While some start to look similar, many are modern and flashy with no premier locked option. You can use any template. The editor. Now let's look at how to build a website with Hostinger. The editor is simple and no code, quite different from the tool heavy editor like Wix. I appreciated the minimalistic design. Editing element is easy, just drag them from the tab. Although there are not many elements to choose from other hand of most websites, I love how you can add image from free libraries on your phone quickly. A feature beginner well appreciated is the grid system. It split the design into squares, speeding up the process by eliminating the need to improve move element pixel by pixel. While I wish there were more animation and style setting, I am happy with what available. Pricing. Now for the fun part, pricing. Hostinger is one of the best value providers since you are buying hosting not just a website builder. Is super cheap. The first plan is under $2 a month, allowing you to build one website with free SSL and weekly backup, cheaper than Wix or Squarespace. The true value through lies in their premier plan. For under $3 a month, you get more storage, no bandwidth limit, a free domain, and up to 100 new website. That probably the best deal out there, specifically with our discounted link below. Hostinger renew rates are also consumer friendly with price doubling instead of skyrocketing. E-commerce. Hostinger website builder is great for personal project, but how about e-commerce? While it cannot compare to Shopify, it's perfect for small businesses. The simplicity of the builder is a plus for those just wanting to sell a few items online. Managing inventory, editing product is smooth and quick with only basic info required. Performance is a crucial specifically for online shop. If your site loads slowly, you will lose customer. Google recommended a load time under 2.5 seconds. Hostinger website builder is light and fast with a load time of 1.8 seconds, better than 99% of building. I have a review and within Google recommended time frame. Blogging. Hostinger shine for businesses site and portfolio, but not as much for blogging. You get basic tool to create a decent blog, but it lacks the advanced feature of a platform like WordPress. Plus, you have to build each post as a separate page, which can be prettier. AI tool. Hostinger web builder offer few AI tool to help you get started. An AI logo generated, AI written, and heat map feature can assist in managing your website while not groundbreaking. Those tools are helpful for beginners. Conclusion. If you are looking for a lightweight and effective website builder, Hostinger might be the answer. It's the cheapest premier builder on the market with above standard performance and plenty of resources. I highly recommend giving Hostinger a try. Thanks for sticking around for this Hostinger review. If you want more, leave a like on the video. See you all later.